characteristics of DC short generator. What is generator? DC short generator. Short generator. Generator means this is a energy conversion device. Generator means this is a energy conversion device. Okay. Energy conversion means we are providing mechanical and we are getting electrical. You see, whenever you are getting some power failure, we require the help of generator. So generator conversion start. That means we are providing mechanical and we are getting electrical. Okay. So that is your generator. Generator again, this is your DC generator. Okay. As the name called so DC generator. DC generator means okay. Although the name DC generator, but the EMF generated is alternating in nature. मतलब sinusoidal. हमें क्लास में डिस्कस करते हैं सिंगल फेज EMF generated, how EMF can generated. Suppose this is the armature. This armature is rotating in between pole pieces in the uniform magnetic field. Then according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, EMF is generated. Okay. So this is the generator here. Here you see the electrical lab. Okay. We are having that generator and that generator shaft we can rotate with the help of motor. Motor is we are providing electrical and we are getting mechanical. Yes or no? Motor है electrical energy converted to
mechanical energy.
This is electrical motor. Electrical energy converted to mechanical energy. ताल कौन हो shaft रा बोलेगा? एबे देखो MG set ଅଛି. Motor generator set. মানে একটা কপুল হয়ে গেছে কপুল জানছো তো কাম পিলা যেটা বলছো
yes sir
কপুল ওকে motor generator set that means here electrical converted to mechanical and now mechanical converted to electrical. So both motor generator these are energy conversion device. Clear? Motor generator here both are energy conversion device because here electrical energy converted to mechanical energy and in generator electrical energy converted to mechanical energy converted to
electrical energy.
Okay. Now question is how EMF generated, that you have already known. How EMF generated? EMF can be generated by two ways. EMF can be generated by two ways. Okay. What are the two ways? You see, while you have discussed about your generation of single phase EMF. Okay. So this is your yoke. This is your armature. These are your pole pieces. So north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole like this. So in between this, okay. So in between your north pole, south pole like this. So your armature is rotating.
Pause करो.
Energy conversion device. Why this is known as energy conversion device? We are having so many energy conversion device. Okay. Your motor is energy conversion device. Your generator is energy conversion device. Your transformer is energy conversion device. Transformer means what? Electrical energy converted to electrical.
Yes sir.
Mechanical energy converted to electrical energy. That is
Generator.
Electrical energy converted to
Mechanical
energy. That is
motor.
So accordingly, we can specify that is your energy conversion device. Okay. So this is your MG set, motor generator set. In motor, electrical converted to mechanical. In generator, mechanical converted to electrical. Clear all of you?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now we have to find the character. What should be the response? You see, every motor generator having some characteristics. Okay. So what is the characteristics we can find in case of generator? Okay. In this generator, here you see all generator motor. Okay. Here the motor and generator both are having same construction. If we consider about the construction point of view, both are having same construction. Same construction means what? Same construction means okay. Your outer frame is here. your inner one, which one is rotating. Okay, that is you see machine you have seen, but practically try to realize which one is rotating, which one is stationary. Okay, so here
Yes, sir.
outer frame, this is stationary. This is outer frame stationary. Outer frame stationary. Outer frame stationary. So this is north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, like this. North, south, like this. Okay. And these are accordingly number of turns like this. Okay. And here middle one, this is your rotating. This what we can say, this is your armature. Okay. And the outer one, we can say this is yoke. Outer one, what we can say, yoke. Yoke means this is constant, which provide mechanical support to the entire machine. ଏବେ ଦେଖ ତମର armature ବୁଲି ଚାଲିଛି. Is it any problem? Okay,
No, sir.
That is not affecting others. Okay. And middle one is rotating. So armature is the rotating part of DC machine. Armature is the rotating part of DC machine. So what are the different parts here? Here you see one generator means here pole pieces are there, your armature is there, okay. And based on Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, EMF is generated. That is your generator, that is mechanical converted to electrical. Actually your armature is rotating, while this armature is rotating in between pole pieces in the uniform magnetic field. Then according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, EMF is generated. Clear all of you? How mechanical converted to electrical. So that's why this is known as being EMF generated. We are saying generator. Okay. We are having different types of generator. Based on the construction, accordingly, different types of generator. Short generator is there. Series generator is there. Okay. Short generator, series generator, compound generator. Here, that side you see in the panel board, this is series motor, this is compound motor. Series means what? Three windings are connected in series. Okay. Compound means presence of series field as well as short field. Short means what? Short means field winding is connected in parallel. Here you see field winding connected across this or not. So this we can say short motor. What this we can say? This is short motor. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
accordingly, short motor, series motor. If field winding is connected in series with the armature, it is the motor. Motor A means this is armature.
Armature.
A double A. And this is one armature terminal. This is another armature. Similarly, generator A double A. We must know these are the armature terminal. Similarly, AFF means field winding terminal. AFF. So these field winding where we got this. These are the okay main pole pieces. So in between your pole pieces, this armature is rotating, and based on the Faraday's law of electric induction, EMF is generated. Okay. Now here you see, if we discuss about briefly we can discuss in the class. Here just you know about this is the circuit diagram for finding of characteristics of DC generator. So what we require here? We have to rotate the shaft of generator. How we rotate? With the help of motor. So we require MG set. Okay. This motor, here you see this motor. Electrical energy converted to mechanical energy. But how the electrical energy converted to mechanical in case of motor? For starting a motor, we require a 3-point stator. Here you see LFA. LFA stands for this is line. This is field, this is
Armature.
And here you see this connected to line terminal, this connected to field winding, this connected to armature terminal. So this is LA. Okay. So being this connected to 3 points, so this is known as 3-point stator. Without stator, a DC motor cannot start. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
DC motor cannot start without a stator. So you require a 3-point stator. You can find in the panel board 3-point stators are there. Okay. So using 3-point stator, we can start the motor. Okay. We have given here the Here you see this is which motor? DC motor or
DC.
AC motor?
Yes.
AC na DC? DC motor.
DC.
We have given 220 volt DC supply.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fuses are there. This is GPS double pole single through knife switch. Okay, this connected to your 3-point stator. Okay, these are your rheostat. Rheostats are there. Various types of rheostat. We are having single tune, double tune. Double tune and theta tunes. Right?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, this rheostat having 200 ohms, 2 ampere. Why you have connected this rheostat? To get the variable current through the field winding. Suppose we connect a ammeter here, okay, so we can find how much current flowing through this. Clear or not? So this rheostat connected in series with the field winding. Okay. Similarly, here you see motor armature terminal once you start, so motor will starts to rotate. Motor will rotate at certain speed in RPM. Motor will rotate at certain speed in RPM. RPM means revolution per minute. And just like you are measuring your voltage, current, etc. So accordingly, how to measure the speed? Using a instrument tachometer. We have written in the apparatus required what are the okay.
Yes,
Tachometer. What type of tachometer we are using? Okay, we are having different types of tachometer for speed measurement. What you written? Analog or digital? Analog. Our marking here accordingly that will be displayed. Another is digital. Okay, using that you can also find directly. Suppose at 1500 RPM that will rotate. Clear? Okay. Now
Clear.
motor starts to rotate. Once this will rotate, and that will rotate the shaft of the generator because AMG set coupled. Okay. If the generator starts to rotate means what? We are providing mechanical, and we will get electrical. Okay. Once we get electrical, okay, we can find the voltage across this. We have connected voltmeter across the generator terminal. Okay. So we can find how much voltage generated here. Voltmeter always connected across. Okay. And ammeter always connected in series. Here you see ammeters connected in series with the field winding. Yes or no?
Yes,
Ammeter
sir.
connected in series with the field winding. So this is the field winding of generator. AFF means this is the field winding for generator. This is which type of generator? Sound
generator.
This is sound. Okay. So this is the field winding for generator. This is the field winding for motor. Okay. So how much current flowing through this? How much current flowing through this? The field winding. Okay, we can find through this. So here you see your tabulation. Okay, in the observation table, we are having one IF in ampere, EG in volt. Okay, EG in volt and IF in ampere. Another is what speed that is rotating. Which one will rotate? Armature. At what speed that is rotating, we can find. We can use the tachometer like this to place in horizontal. Okay, not vertical. Like this, so that we are doing some sensor estimate, etc. So that we can find the at what speed that is rotating. Okay, and if analog ammeter, analog tachometer is there, so you can find the deflection like this. Anyway, you can find the speed in RPM. So now objective is what is EG, what is IF. What is EG? EG means EMF generator. Being generator, here you see. Once motor will start, this rotate the shaft of generator. Okay. Once generator starts to rotate, so mechanical converted to electrical here. Because why mechanical converted to electrical? There is no Faraday's laws of electrostatic induction. We have already discussed that why the armature is rotating in between four pieces according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. EMF is generated. Okay, there are two principal laws of Faraday. There are two principal laws of Faraday. What are they? Faraday's first law states that whenever magnetic flux, here you see north pole south, the lines of flux north to south. North pole south pole according lines of flux north to south. Yes or no?
Yes.
If north pole south pole is there, so presence of flux you can find. And in between, if this armature is rotating, so every time flux linkage with the armature coil changes. So EMF increases. Yes or no? Suppose here you see a fan is rotating. So fan rotate kala. So fan rotate kala kano? Mane pawan to bolo nai.
Yes, sir.
So in this position maximum point linkage. In this position minimum. Not so pass is. Only maximum, only minimum. In this way every time flux linkage with the coil changes. So this is your armature. This is rotating. हमें generator shaft को बोले देले माने कौन? We are rotating your
Armature.
Okay. What this armature is rotating in between pole pieces? So every time flux linkage with the armature coil change. जब change होगा कौन होगा? EMF induce होगा. So that EMF we can say EG. Okay. EMF can be generated by two ways. EMF can be generated by two ways. Okay, for your time information, we must know EMF, electromotive force, can be generated by two ways. Okay, one method is either keeping field system stationary. Here you see, north pole, south pole, these are all constant. Is it rotating? North pole, south pole, is it rotating? Right?
No, sir.
North pole, south pole, is it rotating?
No, sir.
These are constant.
Yes, sir.
These are fixed to the yoke. Yoke माने कौन? Yoke माने कौन? Yoke provide mechanical support to the entire machine. ये किसी भूलो नहीं, पूरा constant. Which one is rotating?
Armature.
Okay, armature is rotating. So armature is the rotating part of DC machine. So while armature is rotating, so based on Faraday's laws of electrical induction, EMF is generated. Okay. So basing on the Faraday law, what are the two principal law? Whenever magnetic flux linking with the coil changes, EMF is induced. Second law states that the rate of change of flux directly proportional to the EMF induced. Faraday law clear? The rate of change of flux directly proportional to the EMF induced. So EMF induced now. So this is your EG means EMF induced. So how much whenever we are connecting the circuit like this is the circuit diagram for verifying the characteristics of generator. Okay. So what about the stage of the generation voltage, generated voltage and your field current? Okay. We will find, okay, even if the field current 0, in this case you will find even if the field current is 0, there is some voltage. In a machine, you can find even if your field current is 0, IF is 0, but we can find some voltage. Suppose say 12 volt. It is suppose serial number 1. Why this thing will happen? When field current 0 thibo, still we are having some voltage. Because that is due to the retentivity of the material or residual magnetism in the field core. एवढा सब magnet रोज ना electromagnet रे आपण जदी verify करिया देखिबा ओके from your BH characteristics BH curve जानि जो BH curve we have studied in your 12th class hysteresis okay magnet in a magnet being magnet presence of magnet so we can find magnetization characteristics. What is that magnetization characteristics? We can find, okay, this is your magnetic flux density, this is your what? H is what? Magnetizing force and we can find the characteristics like this. Okay, so this is H, magnetizing force. By the application of magnetizing force, we can find a stronger magnet. Due to the application of magnetizing force, we can find a stronger magnet. Okay. Due to the variation of current, we can find magnetizing force. You see, once current increases, your H increases. Once H increases, your B increases, and we will find a point. Okay. After this, even if we will increase the value of current, but value of B remain constant. Value of B remain constant. That is your maximum flux density. Okay, this is your H max, magnetizing force. After that, even if we increase the value of current, but the value of B remain constant. This point we can say saturation. Okay. Suppose one iron bar is there. Okay. If iron bar is there, it is a total iron bar. Okay. If it is completely iron bar, if I bring some iron particle towards this, okay, no response again. But if I place this iron bar in the field of solenoid, if I place the iron bar in the field of solenoid and some amount of current will flow through this, some amount of current will flow through this, having n number of turns, so by the by this will show your behavior of magnet. Okay. So accordingly here you see, once you are providing the current, okay, your H increases means magnetizing force increases. So if H increases means corresponding B increases, and we will find a point, okay, at this point, that is saturation point. After this, even if we will increase the value of current, but value of B remain constant. So mane ebe hela kono, this is electromagnet. Magnet hela mane kono hobo, magnet will show the magnetic properties. Magnetic properties kono, iron particle will be attracted
by
towards
the
this.
magnet.
So this is your magnetic field. Magnetic field means what? The region or area around which a pole can experience a force. It is a magnetic field. Are you getting my point? The
Yes, sir.
region or area around which a pole can experience a force. It is a north pole, is what? A south pole. So lines of flux from north to south, north to south, north to south. So in this way we can draw your response of the characteristics. Okay. So here you see, here your current is 0, H is 0, that means your B is 0. B माने कौन? Magnetic flux. Okay. अच्छा. एबे देखो 8 थिला तो आयरन बार. एबे 8 कौन होला? Magnet है होला. 8 देखो iron particle not attracted towards this. Okay, iron bar. But at this position, this will be a magnet, माने saturation position. तो हम देखो that will show the magnetic property. Okay. So the way we have done the magnetization, now we want to demagnetize it. हम एक सो engineering पिला हम सो आसो परीक्षा करी देखिबा. Experimentally we have to verify. So how to verify? How to verify here you see. एबे देखो 8 थिला iron bar. At this position we are getting magnetic. Showing the magnetic property. Now we want to demagnetize. Clear? Now you want to demagnetize the iron bar. এটা দেখো magnetized, 8 थिला unmagnetized. Here this was unmagnetized iron bar. Okay. At this position, এটা समझाला O. This is your A. A position ला এটা कोन होला?
मैग्नेटाइज हो
हैला. एबे हमें कोन करिबा? ताको
डीमैग्नेटाइज करिए.
हमें वेरीफाई करी केमति करिया जे ठीक ही हो. Okay. So you want to demagnetize. How to demagnetize? The way we have increased the value of current, now we have to decrease the value of current. Then we have to decrease the value of H. If we decrease the value of H, so corresponding B will be decreases. But we will find initially the curve was flowing, okay, follow the path OA. But while decreasing the value of current, the curve will follow the path instead of AO, this will follow the path AC. Are you getting my point? माने इनिशियली कैरेक्टर टर्मिनल लो इमिति हला ए वैल्यू लियो ए वैल्यू लो इते ड्रा करिवो वी आर फाइंडिंग द पाथ OA. 80 कोन थिला अनमैग्नेटाइज्ड 80 कोन होला मैग्नेटाइज्ड एबे जाउ जे डीमैग्नेटाइज्ड तला हमें सेही वाला करंट बाहर कलो हला. सो वंस वी आर डिक्रीजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट योर मैग्नेटाइजिंग फोर्स डिक्रीजेस, सो करस्पॉन्डिंग B also decreases because B proportional to H. H decrease करियो ना B भी decrease करियो हला. But we will find a path that will flow along AC instead of OA or AO. This will follow the path AC. That means at point C, what we can find? At point C here you see, even if we are removing the magnetizing force completely, but the bar is not completely demagnetized. एट देखो H टा जतले 0 थिला B टा 0 थिला ठीक ना नहीं h टा 0 b टा 0 कहना b प्रोपोर्शनल टू h और b इक्वल्स टू mu h ओके तो h टा 0 माने b टा 0 होगा कथा एट देखो एई पोजीशन ला h ର वैल्यू केते ओके से y एक्सिस रो h ର वैल्यू केते 0 अच्छा h ର वैल्यू 0 वाले b टा 0 होगा कथा हवा कथा नहीं
Yes sir. No sir.
ताले कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी yes or no
Yes sir.
then why this thing happening because that showing the magnetic characteristics magnetization characteristics okay that means even if we are removing the magnetizing force completely but the bar is not completely demagnetized and this part OC that we can say due to the retentivity of the material due to the retentivity of the material or residual magnetism in the field pole the bar is not completely demagnetized आमे किंतु इंजीनियर आमे छाडी गल कोन पूरा परीक्षा लागि रहबे से केतळे से पुनी डीमैग्नेटाइज होउस माने अनमैग्नेटाइज बिकॉज़ इनिशियली दैट वाज अनमैग्नेटाइज आयरन पार्टिकल लालो किछि रेस्पोंस नथिला एबे मैग्नेटाइज हे गला तल मैग्नेटाइज हलालो पुनी एदिन खेलो धाइनेटा लागे नहीं एबे देखिले एबे देखो मैग्नेटाइज हे गला वी वांट टू डीमैग्नेटाइज इट अगेन वी कैन फाइंड once we are removing the magnetizing force we can find at a point even if we have removed the magnetizing force completely but the bar is not completely demagnetized तो next कौन करिया I तो 0 हो गला तल कौन करिया we have to flow the current in reverse direction तमे देखिबो एमि जण को एमते बो बागड जो खेलत नहीं ये ताको पथर गडो तो फॉलो करतो ओके देखिला या को धरि होबनी एटी के छापी रहि जो से घुरथुबे एक्वाटेड हे जो टिके रहियो से आसे बाटे जो धर परिले दे तो इन द सेम मैनर ओके इफ वी डिक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट ओके माने विल फ्लो द करंट इन नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन एटा पॉजिटिव थिला एटा नेगेटिव तले ए पॉइंट रे कोन हबो एटी देखा एटी कोन हबो b टा 0 at this point your b equals to 0 b0 माने कोन again that will show your unmagnetized characteristics but now the bar becomes unmagnetized एटी थिला unmagnetized एटी हला magnetized okay और saturation okay now we want to demagnetize at this position हमें देखले पूरा करंट बाहर कर देले because h means what h माने हला mu equals to h equals to ni by l n माने नंबर ऑफ टर्न है जो दिया हम देखो नंबर ऑफ टर्न I amount of current flow करा हो n माने मीन लेंथ ऑफ द पाथ ये जो माने I नंबर और मीन लेंथ है ओके so I increases means h increases means b increases so we follow the path OA एबे इट मैग्नेटाइज नहीं होला एबे हमें डीमैग्नेटाइज करले but at this position due to the retentivity of the material even if we have removed the magnetizing force completely but bar is not completely demagnetized hela so we flow the current in reverse direction at this point the bar is completely demagnetized clear all of you तम देखो केमती magnetize demagnetize so this is the characteristics so here accordingly you can find EGIF okay even if the field current is 0 okay you will find in your experiment while take the observation even if the field current is 0 but you can find some voltage is there and that voltage what we can say residual voltage এটা ম্যাডাম residual তো না কোন right retentivity of the material or residual voltage due to the retentivity of the material or residual voltage in the field pole okay we are getting some okay accordingly taपर now field current so accordingly you can find voltage and that you have to represent in terms of this characteristic eta tale केमिति represent करिया एटा हला EMF generated in volt eta हला field current so we can find the characteristics like this हमें एमिति पाइबा कथा ताने this is your we can say what magnetization characteristics other name is open circuit characteristics काई कहू छै काना हमें एटी जनरेटर के लोड कनेक्शन करू एपोटर ट्यूब लाइट is connection करছে no connection only we are getting the response of EMF generated versus field current तो एटा है मतलब कोन नो लोड EMF EG टा को also we can say EG or कोन E0 no load EMF versus field current in ampere EG माने no load EMF this we can take OA बुझिलो ना now due to this residual voltage here you see okay your field current is 0 here but there is some voltage so this OA we can residual voltage एबे कोन हो ए characteristics रे okay तापर देखो field current नियो corresponding EG increases accordingly you can find the characteristics like this and after some point even if we will increase the value of field current but this value of EMF remain constant that we can say no load saturation characteristics कौन बोली no load
saturation characteristics
so this is known as no load saturation characteristics or magnetization characteristics okay so due to this voltage we can find this current okay again due to this current this voltage this current accordingly high voltage can build up so in the generator due to this residual magnetism in this way high voltage can build up so this is one of the condition of building of high voltage केमिति एक्चुअली high voltage build up due to the residual तेणु जेते मैग्नेट अछि माने तार रेसिडुअल वोल्टेज अछि आमे ओने से फिलिंग रो जब कहू ना हम भीतर के अछि कि तामे से भीतर के अछि माने ड्यू टू दैट रेसिडुअल मैग्नेटिज्म इन द फील्ड पोल accordingly we are getting high voltage हैला तो एटा कोन कहबा मैग्नेटाइजेशन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ओके so you take the reading and you so any question from this you can ask
just
question is why this is known as no load saturation characteristics why this is known as magnetization characteristics kind of magnet रो आसु
नहीं सर
magnetic character कहा का भीतर ड्रा करते no load EMF versus field current so everything you take bit by bit because this is last of this module okay and during that exam will come so you're not serious so before that you must clear from the laboratory class laboratory clear है जो मतलब तुम्हें जानी करो सब जिनिस clear all of you
yes sir
okay write it down from this charts connection diagram as per the circuit diagram में करेंगे
किछि रे कहना
3 point stator काहे लोग होते हैं what is the need of 3 point stator why this is known as 3 point stator okay without stator can we start the motor or not so many things are there किंतु आपको gist रो कहया अछि बुझिलो किंतु important here is what retentivity of the माने तुम इधर देखो जो टिकी अछि ता पय देखो तुम केते कोन लोग गूगल कुआडे कुआडे पड़े हो ठीक ना नहीं आ तो किछि न था तुम कोन के बड़ा रास्ता तो ड्रीम्स यूनिवर्सिटी आस्ता
नहीं
ठीक ना नहीं okay thank you any doubt you can ask but after that we will your